Congratulations at tanggap ka na. And this is your first day as a cashier. At ang gagawin mo lang bilang first day mo ay i-verify lang natin yung mga magiging customer natin kasi nandito tayo sa cashier kung totoong tao ba sila or hindi. Paano natin malalaman? Itatanong natin yung name, age at kung anong ginagawa nila guys. Anong job nila. Kaya samahan nyo ako dito sa Scary Grocery Night Shift guys. Let's go! First day, surviving 20 nights and defeat the entity. May tumatawag agad. Kakadating ko nga
Welcome
lang
to your
eh.
first night shift. We're really glad to have you here running the grocery store. And hey, thanks for taking the job. The
Of course.
previous employees, well, they either quit pretty fast or just disappeared without notice. But I'm sure you'll be fine.
Sure.
Here comes your first customer. Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
Narinig nyo yun guys? Yung previous daw na cashier nag-quit daw agad. Kailangan pa natin tanongin yung job niya, pati yung kung ilang taon na siya. Bumibili lang naman siya, di ba? Okay, how old are you? December 27, 2004. Hindi naman niya sinabi yung age niya. Sinabi niya lang yung year kung kailan siya pinanganak. 2004 daw. Sige. Saan ka galing? Saan ka pinanganak? Los Angeles? Anong trabaho mo? I install and repair electrical systems. Okay.
The customer's answers match their information. Complete the
So tama yung sinabi niya. Totoo yung sinabi niya guys. Nandito na sa computer natin. So okay sir.
Hey, look
You can
at you.
go.
You checked out your first customer.
Wala
Wait
naman
for
ako
the
masyadong
customer
ginawa
to
eh.
come to the counter.
Okay. Another customer. Hello
Bag the
sir.
customer's items.
How are you? Sorry po. Have a good day, sir. Dito tayo magkakaalaman, sir, kung totoo ka ba o hindi. Age? December 27, 2004, tama. Saan ka pinanganak? Tokyo? Nakalagay dito New York. Anomaly. Next, ano trabaho nyo?
Customer is wrong about where they're from.
Yun nga rin yung napansin ko eh. Doppelganger.
Pick
Walang
up the pistol
manggugulat
and shoot the doppelganger.
Kailangan ko ba talaga gawin to? Sige. Pick up the pistol and... doppelganger daw siya, guys. Guys, bago ko muna i-pick up tong pistol, huwag niyo muna kalimutang mag-subscribe and like yung video na rin, guys. Bago ko to gamitin. Ito na, guys.
Use the mop to clean the goo on the floor.
Ganun lang. Use the mop. Ito yung map. Ay, wait lang. Yung map. Ganun lang yun. Wala mo
Now,
lang...
throw the body out in the dumpster outside.
Nalinis na
behind the
natin
store.
nalinis na natin yung... Alam nyo na yun, guys. Tapos, itatapon lang natin siya sa dumpster. Talaga, ganun lang. What? Dumpster. Saan yung basurahan? Dito daw yung basurahan. Dito. Ayan na yung dumpster.
Hey, you got rid of your first doppelganger. Nice work. It was a little messy, sure,
Nice.
but you handled it like a pro. To
Ooh,
complete the
grabe
shift.
naman yung first night, boss. Di naman ako informed dito na ganito pala dito. Ang OA naman po ng first day nyo. So, pauwi na tayo guys. Ayun yung bus natin. Survive ba talaga yun? Night 1, $30. $50. Yay! Yan na naman. Hello?
Hey, welcome back for shift number 2. You actually made some leftover cash from last night.
May naiwan daw ako kagabi na cash. So, gamitin ko daw yun para pambili. Okay. Truck arrives. Dumating na yung truck. Ang bilis naman ng Shopee nila. Day 2. Ayun na, may customer na naman tayo, guys. Another day, another verified customer. Name, age, tama, year 2000. Where are you from, sir? Ano pong trabaho nyo? I grow crops and take care of animals. Farmer? Probably right. Complete transaction. Totoo siya, guys. Totoong customer. Good morning! Ang susungit ng mga customer dito, guys. Hello, Sir Zachary. How are you? scan, scan. And here we are again. Age. Ilang taon na po kayo? 1989. Okay. Saan po kayo galing? Tokyo. Okay. Last question. I spent most of my day guiding curious minds. Okay, teacher. Correct. Complete transaction. Ilang taon ka na? Mali. 1995 siya, guys. Sabi niya 2005 daw. Nagpapabata ka. Ano pong trabaho nyo? Pero mali, guys. Kapag ganun, pistol ka sa amin. Anomaly or now? Oh, hello, Dylan. Ano pong work nyo? Mali, guys. Sabi niya chef daw siya, construction worker siya. Mali rin yung sinabi niyang age. Na, you a liar. You a liar. Boink, 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 boink. Paano mangyayari, guys, kung nagkamali tayo ng judgment? Kung totoo nga ba sinasabi niya, tapos mali tayo. Human shot. Turn on the generator outside and... Where's the generator? So yung generator. Ano mangyayari? Outside daw, outside. San ba yun? Hello? Sorry. I didn't mean to. Saan ba yun? Dito daw. Magba-brown out. Night 3 pa lang, ganito na. Okay. Sabi ko na may manggugulat pero hindi mo alam kasi kung kailan eh. Oh, hello, Olivia. Are you for real or not? Age, correct. Where are you from? Been a while since walking Tokyo. Guys, si Olivia parang anomaly. Pero ano mangyayari kapag, di ba, kunyari puyat tayo. Tapos hindi natin napansin na mali pala yung information niya. Tapos kinomplete transaction lang natin siya. Ano mangyayari? Tama ba siya? Or wait lang natin, guys, wala pa nangyayari. Baka yan na naman eh. Hello? 30 seconds. Stay away from all the doors. Prepare to fight. You allowed a doppelganger to leave the store. The entity is coming. Hello, tago. Ano gagawin? Makikipaglaban daw tayo. Tago daw tayo dito. Ano ba? 4 seconds. 3. Ano ba? Ako lang pala yun. Shoot the entity. You lost. Revive. Ano ba? Nakakatakot. Nasaan na siya? Shoot. Shoot. The entity has escaped to heal. It will look back stronger next time. Nakatakas daw yung entity. Pag bumalik, mas malakas na siya. Head to the bus to end your shift. Uwi na ako. Ayoko na. Ayoko nang pumasok. Wala bang way na hindi ako papasok? Grabe naman tong trabahong to. Yung alam mo merong papasok sa yung entity, tapos kailangan maghanda ka lang. Ano ba yun? Ano na naman? Hello, sir? May mali na naman ba? Ilang taon? Tama, 1978. Taga saan? New York. Okay, tama. You're not entity, I hope. Ano na naman? Robbery. Robber. Mysterious man, hand over the money now. Shooting in 3, 2, 1. No. Nanakaw. Nanakawan pa nga. Grabe naman to. 4 a.m. O ano? Tamang hinala na tuloy ako, guys. 30 seconds, stay away from all doors. Prepare to fight. Ayan na naman. Dahil parating na siya in 15 seconds, guys. I-jump scare natin siya. Wait lang. Hindi ako. Asa na? No! Guys, kung na-enjoy nyong matakot ako at magtakutan tayo, comment down below para sa mga susunod ko pang lalaruin. At sa susunod muli, paalam!